Alrighty then, let's see what I have not got done. Like I said, I've been really having an issue getting the CDA 18T GE medical monitor touchscreen working with the ELO touch drivers, or the Sanyo 12-inch LCD working with the touch drivers. I haven't messed with them really as of late. Started getting my electrical diagram labeled out. This is the panel so far. Got all of my different logic and controller boards. Got the mounts made for them. Got all the holes drilled. I just got the panels the top panel put back up. The bottom panel is been on there for today anyway. So went ahead and started getting my ground done. Got everything mounted on there, mounted in there. So tonight I'm just wiring and documenting wiring. Yay! Yay, fun, yay. Alright, well, I'm off to eat supper. Hopefully tonight will be a good night. We shall see. Alright, see ya.